at least that's not your original car. I just whacked my fucking knuckle. Oh yeah, in you go. That's so dope.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something a little fun with the Lexus, but first I have to clean her. She is disgusting. All right, so I'm about to wash my car. I did invite some of my friends who don't want to do this fun thing with me. So I brought it with me, so I'm hoping I can entice them to come over. There she is. This is what we're gonna try to install today on the fucking Lex. I have two of them, obviously. The other one's on the bottom. But yeah, this is gonna look fucking ridiculous and cool at the same time. Bro, living in fucking New Jersey is fucking so bad, bro. We just salt the fuck out of everything. It's crazy. All right, so I wanna get your reaction off of what I'm gonna install. All right, head nod's not bad.
On each side?
Yeah, there's two of them. Yo, they actually are really good fucking quality for 50 bucks. Hell yeah.
Do what I want.
I want you to know what you think of these.
Blastpipes?
Yeah. No, you're just gonna fucking stare at me. You're not gonna pick them up. You're not gonna look at them.
Well, I'm not gonna touch something that's possibly expensive. What do you mean?
Expensive? These are from fucking eBay, baby.
Oh, the U for you. The IS300.
All right, let's see what they look like on the Fusion. Hold them up.
No, they'll fit because the connection's like right there. So that's all. That's bad.
That's great. That's the best.
That's rough.
Oh, I can't wait till we do it. All right, so washing our cars definitely took a little bit longer than I thought. I ended up washing our cars. It was me, Church, and Roger. So we're heading back to my house, and we're gonna install this shit, even if the sun's setting a little bit. But that's okay. It's still gonna be fun. All right, Church. What are we installing today? No, not belly smacks. What are we installing?
Bastard.
Okay, that's what we're installing. Bastard today.
We're doing Long John Silvers.
What are those?
Long John Silvers, man.
Yeah, I guess so. All right, so we got new clips here, or clamps, whatever the fuck these are. And then we just have to take off the old ones, which me and Church are gonna do.
I don't know what to call those.
What?
The little stubbies.
The little tippies?
Yeah.
High heels.
On my tippies. Off.
All right, so we gotta fucking take these little things out.
Doohickeys.
Little doohickeys.
And this is the thing of what's it?
Yeah, go ahead. Unscrew my shit.
What?
Unscrew my shit.
Take me to dinner first.
All right. I'm not taking them to fucking dinner.
Yeah.
Then this just comes apart like so. Like that.
Be gentle.
Just like that. And feed that through so it's nice and flush like that. And then you just put these back on this side like so. And then we'll thread.
Wait, do you have that the right way?
What do you mean?
Isn't there like a left and a right?
Is there a left and a right?
I don't know. Is there a left and a right? I'm messing with you. It's the
No,
same.
this is the fucking
It's
same.
be the same.
All right, so to get the fucking old, there's Church. To get the fucking old ones off, we gotta fucking get these Johnnies off. These are the old clamps. You see them? Yeah. All right, so
They look like booty.
yeah, I know. The 14 should be a fit, maybe.
Maybe go a 15.
Shit, it don't fit. All right, let's get them.
Now back on Shadow Garage.
Shadow tuning.
Yeah. Oh, shadow tuning, my bad. You finally figured out it was a 15 out of 14.
15. The other ones are 14s.
What?
The other ones are 14.
No shot. There's 2 different bolts on that thing?
Yeah. Well, no, I'm talking about the new-news.
Oh, the new-news?
Yeah. It's so weird doing this without EJ.
Oh, that's fine. I think you can just grab them by hand now, bud.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, here it comes. Just firmly grasp it.
Oh, she's out.
That's one big ass booty hole.
I fucking got it, baby. She fucking dirty as shit. I paid extra for these tips too. ARK Performance. How they look? I mean, they're really fucking dirty, but they're fucking really nice fucking tips. Just the.
Huh? All right. Now he's gonna insert spot 1 into spot 2.
Excuse me. It might. We have to make this super tight, otherwise. Oh, dude, that does stick out a lot.
I told you.
That does stick out.
I told you.
Oh shit.
You were so dumb.
I'm not dumb. This is fucking cool. All the kids are fucking doing this.
All the kids. Right now, we're figuring out how much of this thing we want between the exhaust pipe and Shadow's Long John Silvers.
Would you stop calling it Long John Silver?
I kind of like calling them Long Johns. We're going to get DMCA from Long John Silvers. They're not fish sticks.
John Silver's going to call us. And
you better take down that video.
Yeah.
Bro, that might be fucking too much. Bro, that might be too fucking much.
Yo, those are the biggest Long Johns ever.
That might be too much.
No. I mean...
Bro. What? Oh, fuck. We may have fucked up. We may have fucked up.
Full sense. Full sense.
Dude, this is fucking...
I mean, the clamps are nice. Clamps are fucking really
We
nice.
gotta make sure this thing is on.
Well, yeah, dude. I daily this fucking thing. It's fucking real bad. Gang, gang.
You're fine if I scratch the underside.
Yeah. Whatever. This is what it is. Fucking, fucking you and the dude she told you not to fucking worry about. Fucking A. So Church said we should level this? Hold on, stop.
What does it look like that way?
I mean, it's almost leveled. Almost.
Oh, yo, I fucking already.
Well, I'll tighten it, asshole.
I can't level it because I'm
Stop fucking laughing and level it. Oh, shit.
I think I got it. This is the dumbest
Oh,
thing.
actually, yeah, that looks pretty good. Good job.
I should.
Good fucking job. Holy shit. Bro.
Bro, shit, I'm laughing so much.
Oh, shit, this is bad. Yeah. I think it'll look good.
You need to at least rock these for one season.
I think it's gonna look good when it's done. I'm excited. We'll go for a drive, you and I, Church, and see how many turns or heads we could turn.
I just whacked my fucking knuckle. There you go. Right on the, yeah, I mean,
Almost on the money?
literally almost right on the money.
Oh.
Hold on. Just a little bit of a...
Even a blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while.
See?
Church does like finding nuts.
What?
How's it coming out?
Huh?
Huh?
I can't feel my finger because I've been trying to put this bolt on. I don't know about you, I like the sound it made. You gotta hear it from out here though.
All that fucking New Jersey driving.
fucking ripping the shit up. Except for that, I may have done that. Right, Church?
Just forge that shit. Like it's friggin', what, Oregon Trail?
Oregon Trail? Yeah.
Man, got dysentery. So I'm currently waiting for Shadow to carefully unwrap his lip that he was fumbling around with in plastic. I'm cold and I'm on concrete.
What, these little nipples?
These things.
Little dick?
On day 2 of trying to put this in, I've been laying on my belly for 2 days now. I'm freezing cold. I gotta go.
Nice. Well, the bar probably goes in the fucking middle. But where is the middle, Church?
Well, I think we have to take out these screws.
Come on, dude.
We have to take out these screws, drill holes. Yes. Look.
Yeah.
Look where they sit.
Yeah, they sit.
So how are they gonna sit on top of a bolt?
I think the exhaust tips were fucking easier than this.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, they're gonna look so cool.
That back.
All right, so it took a little bit longer than I thought, but the new lip is on. It doesn't stick out really far, which is nice. It's just flat black to basically match all the other flat black trim that I have. It does look better. It looks a lot cleaner than the ripped up carbon fiber one that I had, for sure. What? Because they are a little heavy. But they're fucking on there fucking really good. Take a guess.
Hell, would you choose which finger? No, please.
It's a perfect fit. It's fine. That's it. Now if I just need to get something over there, all I gotta do is just fucking step on fucking over the fucking obstacles.
Don't burn your feet.
Yeah. No, this is good. Perfect. We did it.
Whatever.